Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can combine or merge multiple PDF files into a one document on your iPad for free. So let's begin the video. Here I have my iPad and I have opened the Files app, and I have these three different PDF documents which I want to merge. So merging multiple PDF documents on your iPad is really easy. All you need to do is to click on the select button on the top. You're going to select the PDF files that you want to combine or merge. If I want to combine all these three PDF, I'm going to just simply select all these three PDFs. Now on the bottom we have this more button. Click on the more button and it's going to have an option create PDF. Just click on the create PDF button and it's going to make a new PDF. In my case it's PDF 1 2. If I click on the PDF, it's going to have the page 1 from PDF 1, page 2 from PDF 2 and page 3 from PDF 3. So it has successfully combined or merged these three PDFs into a single PDF document. Now the second case may be that maybe you want the pages from PDF 2 to appear first and then the pages from PDF 1 in your new merged document. So in that case all you need to do is to rename the PDF in ascending order. Let's say you want PDF 2 to be first, then PDF 1. So for that you're going to rename PDF 1 to some greater number like PDF 4. So I'm going to click on it. I'm just simply going to go to the very end and I'm going to give it a number 4 as 3 is already taken, and I'm going to click on enter. So now we have PDF 2 and PDF 4. Now if I select on PDF 2, PDF 4, go to more, create PDF, a new PDF document is made, and now basically it has first of all the pages from PDF 2 and then the pages from PDF 1. So this is a little trick that you can use if you want to combine multiple PDFs, if you want them to be in different order. So you're going to name them in ascending order, and that's how you can do it. So yeah guys, in this way you can merge multiple PDF files into one in your iPad. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.